Now let me work out the second problem. Here is a minimization problem. So probably cost கொடுத்திருப்பாங்க minimization. Now let me take you through the problem. Assume the cost in rupees of manufacturing X numbers of product per day is the cost function. This is given. Okay. How many of the products should be manufactured per day so that the average cost is minimum? Also find the values of the average cost and total cost at this level of production. It's a normal problem தான். So நம்ம டைரக்டா ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ற மாதிரி பண்ணிடலாம். So you're asked to find how many products. So X is the number of products. So here is you have to go with respect to X and it's a cost function. So let me go for cost function. C of X is equal to 14400 plus 550X plus 0.01 X square. Okay. So let me find the average cost function. So it is asked to find average cost function is minimum. So let me go for finding the average cost. Directly பண்ணக்கூடாது average cost function minimum னு சொல்லிருக்காங்க. So you have to find the average cost first. So average cost function is divided, this one divided by X. So this will look like 14,400 divided by X plus 550 plus 0.01X. Correct? Okay. Now I'll go for the necessary condition. First order derivative. I'll name this as A in short for convenience sake. So dA by dx, which is equal to minus 14400 divided by x square. So now x on the denominator plus 0 plus 0.01. Okay, this has to be equated to 0. Am I right? So if you equate this to 0, you can please check the value. I'm getting the value x as plus minus 1200. Actually, X is the number of products a day, so it can never be negative. So you can fix the value to be plus 2200. So plus 1200. இப்போ இது வந்து minimize பண்ணுதா cost on check பண்ணதுக்கு I have to go for the sufficient condition where the second order derivative d square a by dx squared. So இங்க இருந்து நான் டைரக்டா எடுத்துடலாம். Okay, இங்க இருந்து டைரக்டா எடுத்தனா here it will be minus, it's not minus, 2 times of 1440, not 2880 ஆயிடும். Minus plus item. So 28800 divided by x cube. மிச்சதெல்லாமே 0. Okay, vanishes. Okay, so in the x oda value 1200 substitute பண்ணலாம். So substitute here. You will get 28800 divided by 1200 the whole cube. You have to check whether it's positive or negative. எனக்கு value வேண்டாம். இங்க numerator positive, denominator positive. So obviously this happens to be greater than 0. If this determinant second order value is greater than 0, then minima exists at this point. So x is equal to 1200 means number of products per day to be manufactured 1200 இருந்தா உங்களோட இது வந்து average cost வந்து minimum ஆகும். So this is with respect to minimization problem. Point to be noted is here the average cost has to be minimized. So direct cost function எடுக்க கூடாது. Average cost மாத்தி அங்கதான் necessary and sufficient condition find பண்ணணும். Yes, pa.